Number 1. 1995 GMC Sierra 1500, price $8,500. The truck is a well-maintained pickup with 112,000 original miles. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission and is powered by a strong 5.0L V8 gasoline engine, delivering reliable performance. The truck features a brown exterior paired with a tan interior, giving it a classic and clean appearance. This Sierra runs well and is equipped with power windows for added convenience. The tires are in decent condition, and while the air conditioning system needs to be recharged, the vehicle remains dependable for daily use. It has normal wear on the paint consistent with its age. A Carfax report is available for review, and it holds a clean and clear Texas title under the owner's name. Overall, this truck offers solid performance and classic styling with relatively low mileage for its year. Number 2. 1988 Chevrolet 3500, price $8,990, showing just 87,000 miles, which is considered low for its year. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission and features a striking burgundy exterior paired with a matching burgundy interior, giving the truck a clean and well-coordinated appearance. Built on the heavy-duty 3500 platform, this rear-wheel drive extended cab pickup offers an 8-foot-long bed, making it highly practical for both work and hauling needs. As a classic square-body Chevy, it carries the timeless design that enthusiasts appreciate, while being powered by a strong 7.4L big block V8 engine that delivers impressive performance and reliability. The interior features clean cloth seats and has been well cared for, with no signs of smoking, pet hair, or unpleasant odors. The truck sits on a matching set of Goodyear tires that are in like-new condition, further enhancing its road readiness. It is rust-free and runs and drives exceptionally well. Number 3. 1993 Ford Ranger, price $8,995, presented in remarkably clean condition and has been exceptionally well cared for over the years. Often described as a true cream puff, this classic compact pickup looks as impressive as it performs. It is powered by a dependable 3.0-liter V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive, offering a smooth, responsive, and enjoyable driving experience. Finished in an eye-catching red exterior complemented by a well-kept gray interior, the truck runs on gasoline and delivers both reliability and timeless style. The overall condition reflects careful ownership, making it an excellent example of a 1993 Ford Ranger Splash Edition. With its classic design, strong mechanical setup, and standout color combination, this truck is more than ready to turn heads and confidently hit the road. Number 4. 1989 GMC 1500, price $10,000. The truck has approximately 150,000 miles on the odometer and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a blue exterior paired with a matching blue interior and runs on gasoline. The seller is currently exploring offers for the truck. It sits on 20-inch staggered wheels and has been upgraded with a new 700R4 transmission sourced from a C4 Corvette, along with a new differential. The truck runs great and has been fitted with new seats for added comfort. It also includes a custom audio setup featuring dual 10-inch subwoofers paired with two 6-inch speakers and a new stereo system. Overall, it is a well-maintained and tastefully upgraded classic pickup ready for its next owner. Number 5. 1999 Chevrolet S10, price $6,995, with only 90,000 miles on the odometer. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The truck features a blue exterior paired with a tan cloth interior, offering a clean and classic look inside and out. This vehicle runs and drives great, reflecting the care it has received over the years. It is fitted with manual windows and manual door locks, adding to its straightforward and reliable design. The interior remains in clean condition, and the overall appearance of the truck shows that it has been properly maintained. With its low mileage and solid performance, this S10 is ready for its next owner. As a dependable and practical pickup, it makes an excellent choice for daily driving, light work duties, or as a reliable second vehicle. Number 6. 1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500, well-maintained full-size pickup with 150,000 miles on the chassis, featuring a red exterior, gray interior, automatic transmission, and a gasoline engine. It is powered by a 350 GM crate motor with approximately 45,000 miles, paired with a Jasper automatic transmission. The owner has kept nearly 10 years of maintenance records, and mechanically, the truck is described as very dependable with all services up to date. Everything functions properly, including cold air conditioning, cruise control, tilt steering, power windows, and door locks. It remains mostly stock aside from an upgraded multimedia player. The truck is equipped with a factory tow package and a 10,000 pounds 2-inch receiver hitch. The tires have about 5,000 miles on them, and the spare has less than 200 miles. Number 7. 1977 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,950, comes equipped with an automatic transmission and is finished in a classic red exterior complemented by a tan interior. This vintage pickup runs and drives well, delivering dependable performance despite its age. There is some minor surface rust present, which is typical for a vehicle of this era, but nothing that takes away from its solid character. The truck would benefit from a fresh paint job to restore its exterior shine and further enhance its classic appeal. Inside, the tan interior could use refurbishment, as it would need to be redone to bring it back to its full potential. At the very least, installing new seat covers and replacing the headliner would significantly improve the cabin's appearance and comfort. Number 8. 1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,800, solid and dependable full-size pickup that continues to run and drive well. Equipped with a V6 gasoline engine and an automatic transmission, it delivers smooth shifting and reliable everyday performance. The truck currently shows 258,000 miles on the odometer, reflecting its years of dependable service. Finished in a burgundy exterior paired with a well-kept tan interior, this pickup presents nicely for its age. The cabin has been maintained in good condition, showing care from the owner over the years. It also comes with a set of great tires, adding to its road readiness and overall value. This truck has been maintained properly and remains mechanically sound. Number 9. 1985 Chevrolet C10, price $8,750, shows just over 61,000 original miles, reflecting light use for its age. It retains its original 305 V8 engine, paired with a 700R4 automatic transmission, offering a dependable balance of power and smooth highway cruising. The truck presents itself in a clean gray exterior finish, which contrasts nicely with its bold red interior. In addition to its strong mechanical foundation, the vehicle has received important maintenance updates, including a brand new fuel tank and a new fuel pump, helping ensure reliable performance and consistent fuel delivery. With a clean title in the owner's name, this C10 stands as a solid and authentic example of a classic Chevrolet truck, combining originality, low mileage, and tasteful color contrast. Number 10. 1989 Ford F-150, price $8,000, comes equipped with a 5.0 LEFI gasoline engine and an automatic transmission, showing 87,000 miles on the odometer. It features a gray exterior paired with a silver interior, giving the truck a clean and classic appearance. This vehicle has been well maintained and recently updated in several areas. The interior has been freshly reupholstered with a new seat cover and new carpet, making the cabin very clean and comfortable. It also has new injectors, a new radiator, new lights, and several other recent replacements. The engine runs very well, starts every time without hesitation, idles smoothly, and operates quietly. The truck sits on good tires and has a straight, solid body.